So very good morning to all. So we'll continue our chapter 10, that is compound interest. In our previous video we have seen some of the word problems from exercise 10.3, and from that only sums will be asked in your exam. So don't worry about the other sums. If you try, it's good for you. If you not try, then you depend on that sums which we have did in your previous video. So here I am going for the next important topic in this chapter, that is growth, and next is depreciation. Okay, these two important topics relate to mathematics in the compound interest. What is growth and what is depreciation? So my dear student, we know that the growth, it's a term related the relative increase in a quantity. Growth, how we can say? The relative increase in a quantity. So important word is quantity and this. So increasing in a quantity, that we consider as a growth. Next, there is rate of growth. The growth per unit time. Growth per unit time is considered as the rate of growth. Considered as a rate of growth. So this can be asked in MCQ. In your coming exam, this can be asked in MCQ. What is growth? Growth in the sense of MCQ. Suppose the question will be like this: the relative inverse in a the relative increase in a quantity is blank. So four options will be given. Your answer is growth. Another MCQ can be formed: the growth per unit time is rate of growth. So that can be taken as a MCQ. Next, depreciation means decrease. The word itself indicate it decrease. So depreciation, the relative decrease. So here you can see the relative decrease in the value over a period of time. Once again, the relative decrease in the value over a period of time, that we consider as a depreciation. Depreciation means decrease the value, and the rate of depreciation. The rate of depreciation means the depreciation per unit time, or we can write here also the depreciation per unit time we consider as a rate of depreciation. Got it? So this four important terminology in this topic we need to understand. What is growth, what is the rate of growth, what is depreciation, and what is the rate of depreciation. Got it? 188. Page number 188. The exercise is 10.4. The first question is, the present population of a village is 4,375. 4,375. At the rate, if it increases at the rate of 8% per annum. So R is 8% per annum. What will be its population after 2 years? So term also given 2 years. Now here the main thing is that increase. Okay. How many times R is there? The rate is only one time. So which formula we can utilize? We can utilize formula number 1, case number 1. This formula we can utilize. Understood? So we can write this. P is equal to PO 1 plus R upon 100 T. Correct? Now keeping the value, the particular value in this formula, P we have to find out, but P as it is, we are not changing. Let it be this. And PO population is given 4,375. 1 plus R is given 8 divided by 100, and T is given 2. Now we try to make it simple and start the simplification. We are not touching this. Let it be 4,375. 1 plus. Now, if you know here this 4 into 2 and 4 into 20. Okay. 4 into 2 8. 4 into 20 500. So 4 out, 4 out. What is remain? Here 4,375 multiplied by 2 upon 25. Here 1 plus 2 upon 25 whole square. Okay. So here next step is 4,375 as it is. Now LCM is 27 upon 25 whole square. So next step is 27 2 times divided by 25 times. Okay. Now we'll try to make as simple as possible. Here 25 into 25. So that we are not touching. Let it be. So if you do multiplication of this, you divide this 4,375 divided by 25 you do. Let us see what type of answer is coming. 25 under 25. 13, 3, 8, 1, 7. Then it will be 27, that is 729, that is a square, and it is multiplied with 5. So answer is 5103. 5103 will be the answer. Okay, yes, correct. So this is 5103 is the answer of present population. Got it? So we have to do like this, and for that different examples also there. If you want to do from the exercise from the textbook, that also you can do. Different examples also there for the growth. Example 1 there. So if you want to do practice, you can do. There is no, it is not compulsory for all of you. And the same method for the depreciation, you will see question number 12. Question number 12 you will see the last question in this exercise, and the answer you will get 17,500. And the formula you will use for the depreciation, this formula you will use. Okay, so this formula you will use. Two sums we will try to complete today. Question 1, that is 1 with this method. Here is in case 1, and question number 12, that is depreciation and decrease value. We will use this formula. Okay, and you will get the answer 17,500. Understood? So you can do, if you want to do another sums, that also you can do. You can take different examples that support, and you can try to solve another sums also. So this is we are stopping now. We are trying to go for another, but just you do practice this. Okay, try to understand this growth, depreciation, and these two important sums. Thank you, and have a nice day.